Chetan Sharma debuted in Test cricket against Pakistan at Lahore on 17 October 1984. His last Test match was against West Indies at Kingston on 28 April 1989. Chetan Sharma debuted in ODI cricket against West Indies at Jamshedpur on 7 December 1983. His last ODI match was also against West Indies at Jaipur on 11 November 1994. Chetan Sharma played 23 Test matches and took 61 wickets with a bowling average of 35.45. His best bowling of 6 for 58 against England at Birmingham in 1986 fails to lift India as the match ended in a draw. Chetan Sharma also scored 396 runs with a low batting average of 22.00. He hits one half-century and 1 six in his entire Test career. As a fielder, he took 7 catches. Chetan Sharma played 65 ODI matches and took 67 wickets with a bowling average of 34.86. His best bowling of 3 for 22 against Sri Lanka at Sharjah in the Rothmans Asia Cup 1984 helps India to win the match by 10 wickets. Chetan Sharma also scored 456 runs in his entire ODI career with a low batting average of midnight. His ODI strike rate is 90.47. His highest ODI score of 101 not out against England at Kanpur in the MRF World Series Nehru Cup 1999 helps India to win the match by 6 wickets. Without any doubt, Chetan Sharma was declared man of the match in that ODI. He hits 1 century in his entire ODI career along with 4 sixes. As a fielder, he took 7 catches. Chetan Sharma had a gorgeous first-class record. He played 121 first-class matches and took 433 wickets with a super strong bowling average of 26.05. He also scored 3,714 runs in first-class cricket with 3 centuries in his kitty. In List A, Chetan Sharma played 107 matches and took 115 wickets with a good bowling average of 31.42. He also scored 852 runs in List A cricket with 1 century in his kitty. Chetan Sharma was the first man to take a hat-trick in a Cricket World Cup, achieving this feat in the 1987 Cricket World Cup against New Zealand. His hat-trick was also the first time an Indian bowler took one in the ODI format. In the Reliance World Cup in 1987, Sharma took the first hat-trick in the history of the tournament when he clean-bowled Ken Rutherford, Ian Smith and Ewan Chatfield of New Zealand off consecutive balls. A pocket-sized powerhouse, Chetan Sharma made up for his lack of height and built with good action and thrust from the shoulders at the point of delivery. He made his international debut at 17 and a year later, aged 18 years, 288 days, played his first Test. He made it memorable by bowling Mohsin Khan with his 5th ball, the 3rd Indian to take a wicket in his first over in Test cricket. He remained Kapil Dev's able partner for almost 5 years. Though the experts were of the view that he would not last long because of his slight physique, Chetan proved them wrong with some lion-hearted performances. He first gave notice when he took 14 wickets in 3 Tests in Sri Lanka in 1985, including his first 5-wicket haul. He did even better in England in 1986 when he took 16 wickets in 2 Tests, including the first 10-wicket haul by an Indian bowler in that country. Against the West Indies in 1987 to 1988, he had his 4th 5-wicket haul in Tests at New Delhi. He played his last Test in the West Indies in 1989 but continued to represent India in one-day internationals until 1994 to 1995. Chetan was also a more than useful tail-end batsman, as he proved by holding out against McDermott, Hughes and Reid for over 2 hours and making 54 when sent in as a night watchman against Australia in 1985, or when hitting an exhilarating 101 not out when he was promoted to number 4 against England in the MRF World Series match in 1989. In retirement, Chetan has found success as a popular TV commentator.